Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a CMS identification. So what exactly is a CMS? CMS stands for Content Management System. Many web application servers in this world which are running or which are providing web hosting generally use a CMS for a better storage or sometimes giving the servers access to the users, which are like the customers or us. That's why a CMS is used. So how can we identify a CMS, and why at the first point should we identify a CMS? Because generally many CMS softwares are running on older versions which have a publicly available exploit, and if we manage to find that publicly available exploit which is lying either into a Metasploit module or it is lying onto GitHub or exploit DB, we can utilize that and directly run that exploit. Sometimes through which, if any exploit is having a severe rating with, let's say, a CVSS score of 10, and with the help of that exploit we can get a remote code execution on that server, then that particular vulnerability or bug will go to a P1 category. So for this, the easiest tool, or you can say an extension that we are going to use into our browsers, is a Wappalyzer. Wappalyzer is used to identify the underlying technology on the websites. So it tells you about what is the technologies, what is the CMS that is running, what are the e-commerce platforms, advertising networks, marketing tools, and analytics about that specific target. So let's see the practical and understand how you can install Wappalyzer and how you can utilize that to identify information about your target. So let me just go to the browser. After going on to your browser, you just need to type Wappalyzer and hit enter. After this, you have to go to the first link. As you can see over here, this is the official domain, which is Wappalyzer. After going on to this domain, we are going to download the extension of a Wappalyzer. If you are using Chrome browser, you can download for Chrome browser. If you are using Firefox browser, you can download it for that as well. So remember, the extension installation process is exactly the same for both the browsers. So I'm going to show you how you can do this on Chrome browser. Before installing the extension, let's see over here, find out what websites are built with. So just go over here and you're going to type the website address. So let's say we type HackerOne and give the protocol as well and hit enter. So now it will ask you to sign up. So let's quickly sign up on this website and it will just take a minute. So I have successfully signed up on the website. Now I can just log in into this. They have sent it a verification code. So let me just verify this. Okay, so I have received one more code, 886960, and let's verify if this works. All right. So now we are just going to log in. So we have successfully created an account. It was very simple. Now you can see over here, I have a credit balance of 50, which means for every lookup that you do, you try to identify your 1 credit will be utilized, and you get 50 credits per month on a free plan. So if you have exhausted all your 50 credits for a month, what you can simply do is you can try to create a new account using any email address, and this way you will be able to use this. There is an alternative way to do this as well, in which you do not require any sign up or any credits. That is by installing the extension, which we are going to see in a couple of minutes. So let me just hit this search button and you can see 11 total technologies that have been identified, and you can see they are using Cloudflare server, they are using jQuery, Backbone.js, they are using Ruby, Ruby Rails, React, and other details. So let us try to enumerate some information about a bug crowd as well, and hit enter. And you can see they are using Varnish, Segment, jQuery, React, Bugsnag, Ruby, Twitter, Facebook. They must have implemented this into their websites as well. That's why we are able to identify the information. Now let's go back to Google, and now we are going to search for a Wappalyzer extension. Now we have searched the Wappalyzer Chrome extension. You can install it for any browser that you have. I have Chrome browser, so I'm going to install it with Chrome. You can also install it for Firefox from this particular link. Alright, so let me just click on this link quickly, and you can see over here it will ask you to add to Chrome. So let me just do this simple step. So the installation process is ongoing. It is checking the compatibility, and once this is done, we will be ready with a Wappalyzer installed into our computer. So once the installation has been successfully done, what we can do, as you can see over here, the installation is successfully done. You need to just click on the Wappalyzer extensions that you can see over here. So I'm going to just pin it, and you can just click this and identify the technology. As we are able to know that they are using a Amazon S3 bucket to host maybe the content. The content delivery network is Amazon CloudFront. Similarly, you can identify information about other websites as well. So let us try to see the information about Starbucks. Just hit your target into your browser and wait for a Wappalyzer to identify the information about the target. So as you can see, it was really very quick and it has already identified the information. Let's click on that, and you can see they are using New Relic and Google Analytics for analytics. For JavaScript frameworks, they are using React, they are using JavaScript libraries, tag managers, and this way you can get the information. Also, if you want to get alerted about any target website, you can also enable this option, which is get alert. So if it identify for a specific technology, it is going to alert you, or any stack changes. So as you can see over here, it will take 10 credits. If there is any change into this particular CMS, if they have changed anything, then it is going to create an alert onto your browser. Alright, so this was it for Wappalyzer. I hope you have understood how the installation can be done and how you can identify the information about any target. Thank you.